What's going down, everyone? And today's going to be a very fun day for unboxings. My name is Matt here at the MacGyver7 channel, and today we're going to be looking at the NorthRock XC27. And I had a rough day. I was about to get my cardio on, I was about to go jump on my bike, and looking, I was like, my tires look a little flat, and well, I guess I ran over a thorn bush when some gardeners were hedging and pushing it in the street. But luckily, my local Costco had this for literally $3.50. Which is blown away when we're going to look at the comparisons of what's happening. If you're new to the network, slam that subscription button and get ready for a fun unboxing and assembly. As you can see, this one's going to be an in-the-store pickup. Online, you're just going to get that lazy little teddy bear looking for some agua. But looking at the comparison of where you can find it through its competitor, I mean, dear glob, $9.29 plus and a delivery fee, and you're waiting till like July. I mean, that's ridiculous. I'm not going to recommend Amazon. I'll have some links down if you're just that desperate. But you could sign up for a Costco executive, get some money back with a Citi Visa, and you're winning. I mean, literally, Costco is the one-stop shop for this, because when you compare it over here, which you have the XC29, there's not a lot of differences, honestly, and this bike looks really, really cool, from the matted black to the very cool portions of just assembly, which we're going to get to right now. Now, they make assembly super simple. You're gonna have your nice seat right over there. It looks super comfy. It looks like memory foam kind of stuff. But you can look at the awesome wheels already stacked in there, and you're just gonna have to put the front assembly. So let's go ahead and get that lovely cardboard and all that assembly packaging off. Now, when disassembling it, you'll get the caliper that's gonna hang, which is pretty much okay. Just make sure that there's nothing weighted on top of there. This is a very light composite bike, and don't forget to make sure that you look inside the box for this. Don't freak out, your pedals are there. It's not like some wireless free pedals. Those don't exist yet. That's like some Tesla technology right there. In that box, you'll be greeted with 2 pedals, 2 reflectors back and front. You'll get 2 Allen wrenches, a 15 on top of the wrench, and the assembly in order to make sure that the wheel in the front actually has an axle to go through it. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. Now, with our XC27 starting to take place, the most important part are the 2 screws that go directly in for the disc brake that goes in the front. It's very easy. You're just going to screw that in. You're going to use the Allen wrenches that it comes with it. But this was one of the most simplest installs. You just had to put the seat in, the wheel on, and because it's so light, anyone really can do it by themselves. I mean, I would suggest maybe if you have an extra friend, just put it together. You'll just speed it up. But it's totally doable by itself, and it just seems like great quality. So let's go ahead and get that disc brake on there, and that's going to be our assembly. One thing to note when you're putting the brake on there, and you're going to see directly right there for as far as the caliber comes a little bit easier into place, make sure that it's idle. You want it to basically go right against the disc brake, and they do basically let you know on a little pamphlet that there is a break-in process for that. So make sure it's flush. Eventually it'll start to wear, and you just want accessibility so you can just hit it. So probably give it about a mile or 2 of just a break-in process. But that's pretty much it. It's a very nice composite point of a bike for a very good affordable price, for saving literally more than 2/3 online. You can definitely get a bike and be able to be a mountain bike in that point. And I was really impressed that the air and the tires were just ready to go. So I'm gonna go on a bike ride today. That's awesome. But you can always like, share, and subscribe for future content, and I will do a 90-day follow-up for return it or learn it, for as far as saving you time in a line and saving your dimes to see if this is a good product. But I'm already going to call it 90 days in the future. I already know I'm going to be happy with this. So everyone, we're looking at the portion of it. It's a 27.5-inch wheel frames, aluminum frame, disc brakes by NorthRock, and on top of that, the bike speed gets up to 27 speeds, 7 on the shifting and 3 on the topper gears. So you definitely can get pretty zippy with this, which I'm going to be super excited to get out there in the nice weather. So everyone, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. Stay safe, stay classy, and I will see you there. And put a comment down below how much you like this bike. And this is for the lovely Costco package. You gotta love it. And I believe it's item number 1466692. In order to follow up with any Costco representatives, see if they're in stock today.